Hi guys, this review is for the Alpine Halo 9. Let's take a look. First, we're going to start off with the boot time. About 10 seconds or so. That's not too bad. Alright, let's go with the features on the screen. My first impression, there's no clock. When you boot it on, I would like to see a clock, maybe some weather, some internet updates, because it is an Android Auto CarPlay unit. But we have the radio, have Pandora, auxiliary to connect to your phone, Bluetooth, and music. I guess that is for maybe USB or if it's on some kind of hard drive or something. Alright, check the drop down box. Sometimes it runs very slow. Like right now, it's not responding on the drop down box. I don't know why. Alright, let's go to setup. It took about 2 clicks there. Alright, we have up top, we have wireless, general, source, system, and close. So my favorite about this unit is the sound. Click on sound. Let's click on that one. Now we have balance, EQ, dual EQ, crossover, TCR, and you can adjust your sound. And it's got a lot of settings to adjust the quality, the tone of the music, which is something that most units don't have, but it's a nice feature. Alright, now I can hit home, go back to the main menu, check out the volume buttons, up and down, very responsive, easy to push. I like the touchscreen. I don't really care for the clicks. Sometimes you get the units with the cheap clicks, that kind of sucks. Go back to setup, let's check out the rest of the features on setup. Sorry for the glare. This unit is very, very reflective. There's a lot of glare when you're using this unit. And for being a lot of glare, it makes it kind of hard to see when you're driving in the sun. The sun's shining on it. It's very, very hard to see. I'll check out the display so I can show you the brightness. Right now I have it on auto. Turn on. When you put it on, you can see it gets much darker. Go back to auto. On, off. It's not a very bright unit, and that's another flaw. I wish it was much brighter for the price we're paying for this thing. Okay, let's go back. Go back. I have it in my 70 Mustang, so I don't have a lot of the extra features like the camera. You could also, external accessories, I believe you could hook up lights to it, using it for your Jeep or so. Not sure what all the stuff is, but click on the camera. You can select your camera and some other settings for your camera. I probably will eventually do a backup camera. I'm pretty sure Alpine sells one. Alright, Android Auto. This is the reason I bought it. Let's go check out the map. Now, it's a nice map. It's responsive sometimes it's not responsive. Check out the music. Go back home. Android Auto. Home. See if it keeps up. I tend to find sometimes it doesn't keep up. Sometimes you push it, it might take about 10 seconds to go through. I don't know if that's because it just got booted up or if it's been just sitting on the same screen for a while. I don't know why it takes a long time. Maybe I'm writing music and doing map on it and it just got too much going through it. But other than that, that's the Alpine Halo 9. It's a nice unit. I don't regret buying it. Kind of pricey, which just wish it was much brighter. Wish it had more features. Wish the home screen was a bit better. And that's it. Thank you.